Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. I have a small business making homemade goods and I got into making some keychains this year and I am in love with how these little keychains turned out from this kit from Shynek. The kit comes with 50 pieces of hardware and the pliers. That is great value. If you're buying these to sell products you make, then that's super important. I was going back and forth as to whether I needed to get a kit with the pliers, and I'm really glad that I did. For one, it takes a lot to pinch these key fobs closed, and these pliers are super strong. And secondly, they fit the hardware perfectly and don't slip out or cause any damage to the metal hardware. These are things that make a big difference to me. So make sure you get this kit because the pliers are 100% essential. The hardware is exactly 1 inch wide, and so I like how accurate and precise they are, because once I cut out my 1 inch fabrics, attach the fob, it looks so professional. Especially if you're planning on selling these later, you will not regret getting these key rings. They were all uniform and durable, and you can make all sorts of items with them. Not only keychains, wristlets, lanyards. I highly recommend this kit here from Shynek, and that's my point of view.